Today I'm going to be reviewing a new product. This new product is called Core SEO, and the product will come out on June 25th, 2019. Now, what exactly is this product and what does it do? Well, this product is a very powerful SEO optimization tool that will help people get over Google's Freshest update. Google just did a new update called the Core Update. And what happened with this update was that numerous sites either got completely deranked or they dropped in the rankings. Probably close to 50% of sites were affected negatively by this new Google update. And the issue is that when your sites get deranked or unranked, it's very difficult to know what does Google want to create a good site that they will rank highly. Well, this software takes care of that problem. The Core SEO is the one and only software application that addresses all your optimization requirements that Google has. And it does it for any website, and it does it for all of Google's SEO updates. It's not just the most recent update, it's all the Google updates. So all you really need to do is take a URL, put it into this software. It will analyze the site in a matter of seconds, and it will actually prepare a recommendation report for you that tells you everything you need to do to get your site back ranking and back ranking quickly. This is something for anybody who's interested in content marketing, and you should be interested in content marketing. But the issue always is that Google constantly comes up with these algorithm changes, and they constantly upset the apple cart. Well, the creators of this software tested it out, and they were able to get up to 20,000 visitors in a single day with this update, using the updates that the software told them to fix. So this Google Core, which was the recent update, was the massive update. Now, that update, like I said, it upset so many people's rankings. But the Core SEO, this software now analyzes 45 different parameters, and it gives you a very, very comprehensive review of what your site needs today to be able to overcome all the Google updates and to rank very, very quickly. Now, content marketing today is a very, very hot type of marketing, and it makes sense because when people do content marketing, when they go on Google to search, they're going there because they have a problem they need to have solved, or they're looking for information that they need. But they already come to Google with a buyer intent. They're looking for help. This is opposed to interruption marketing, which is ads, for example, when they're not really coming to look for your ad to buy something. Your ad interrupts what they're doing, and you hope that your ad is attractive and eye-catching enough that it gets their attention. But with content marketing, they're already coming and they're looking for you. So the biggest challenge was always Google's changing algorithm. Nobody really knew exactly what Google wanted from them. So now, here's what this software, Core SEO, can do for you. It gives you the most powerful SEO ranking system which is created for the current market. Look at what all the things this software will do. First of all, you can put in any website and immediately get a complete report on the SEO position of that site. It will analyze your backlinks for 20 different ranking parameters. Now, what it also does is if you have bad backlinks, and bad backlinks can hurt your rankings, it will get rid of those backlinks for you. It will let you know these are the ones you don't want, and you want to get rid of those. It analyzes 45 different parameters, all type of factors, including all the ones in the most recent Google update. It will help your customers rank faster and hold on to their ranks. It'll get the sites ranked very, very quickly. And it gives you a complete backlinking strategy. You have to have backlinks, and you have to know exactly what backlinks you want and which you don't want. It makes your pages 100% compliant for all SEO, so you're not going to have a problem getting your sites unranked because you violated some type of SEO rule. This software will get you more traffic and customers. It will get you free organic traffic because your sites will rank, and you will not have to spend any money for clicks. It takes the pain out of search engine optimization and marketing because it tells you exactly what you need to do to get your site to rank, step by step. You can take a look at this video and you can see the software while at work, and you can see everything it does. You can even develop a side business whereby you can sell custom SEO reports for profit or use it as a lead magnet. For example, once you have this software, you got some nice potential side hustles. You can sell backlinks analysis as a service to any business. Just offer to take a look and review their site and tell them what's wrong with it and charge them for that. You can sell on-page optimization as a service. You can tell people, I can fix your site. You'll have the information right at hand. You can generate optimization reports for any site and sell the report to an owner. You can make your optimization a powerful lead magnet. You can give it away to potential customers in exchange for an email address. And you can use the reports and analysis as add-ons. If you've already got existing clients, you can do this as an add-on to the service you provide your clients currently. So here's what this software can do. It will make your content website a place that Google loves. This software was created by experts who've gotten 1 million visitors on their sites in a month, as many as a million visitors in a month. So they really know what they're doing and how to optimize a website. You can find all the pressing issues that are hurting your site, and you can fix them immediately so they don't linger and your site can continue to rank. And this is all white hat. There's no black hat here. You don't have to worry about getting slammed for doing something black hat. You will also find all the backlinks that are good for you, and it will disavow the bad ones. It's extremely easy to implement because all you have to do is put a website URL into the software and you're off to the races. The software will tell you exactly what you need. So how much is this going to set you back? What is this software going to cost you? Well, the front end of the software of Core SEO, with all the benefits that I just described to you, is all of $24. That's not $24 a month. That's a one-time charge of $24. And that software and all it does is yours. The first upgrade is the Core SEO Pro upgrade, which just gives you the same stuff, but it gives you unlimited sites, unlimited backlinks, unlimited pages. It just has a great deal more capacity. Upsell number 2 is the Core SEO Agency. If you'd like to do this for somebody else, if you'd like to build pages or sites, get them highly ranked and sell them off, you can create an agency to do that. This software will show you how to do it. The next upsell is the viral reach. Now, if you're not on Facebook, you're losing out big time because Facebook is a monster when it comes to driving traffic. This upgrade will show you how to get the most out of Facebook traffic. Then you have the MobiFlux, which does the same thing, and it does it for mobile traffic. Mobile traffic today is more than 50% of all traffic. People use their mobile devices more than they use their desktop devices, and you don't want to lose out. This upgrade will show you how to maximize your mobile traffic. Now, the vendor is throwing in a bonus. This is a limited time bonus. Get Core SEO today, and they will throw in the most powerful SEO training that can turn you into an expert. Now, you can take a look at all these topics. These are all modules in this free course that they'll give you as a bonus. There are 17 modules here. Introduction to SEO, basics, the pillars of ranking, all the Google updates, how to do keyword research, and you better know how to do that if you want to rank. On-page factors, the correct link building strategies, social media, which is a must today, Google Analytics, how to get the most out of Google Analytics so that it can help you design a better website and get more traffic and higher rankings. Content design, the way you design your content can also have an effect on how you rank. Accelerated mobile pages, the pages better load fast or people will click away from them. Google Webmasters, fixing SEO issues. Something is wrong SEO, this will tell you how to fix it. Also, SEO death. You want to know about SEO death. That is the things, the boo-boos that will get you in trouble. You need to know what they are, what to do about them before they get you in trouble. Now, in addition to all those bonuses, I've also got my exclusive bonuses, and you can get these bonuses by going through my link. They're exclusive to people who buy through my link. You will only find them there. So my first bonus is content creation hacks. Save time, be productive, and build authority. You need to create good content. If you create poor content, you'll get poor results. This bonus will help you, give you some ideas about the best ways to go about building content and building authority. Bonus number 2 is quality versus quantity, creating a content strategy in 2019. You can write a whole lot of content, but if your content is of an inferior quality, nobody's going to look at it, or if they look at it, they're not going to look at it more than once. You have to know how to create quality content, and quality content will give you authority, which is extremely important today. So bonus number 3 is how to build your personal brand in 2019 with 5 simple steps. Now, branding is extremely important because if you can brand yourself, then you become an authority and you become the go-to guy. People know who you are because of your brand. Everybody knows who Donald Trump is even before he became president because of his brand. He was very good at branding himself, and you see what it did for him. And then bonus number 4 is YouTube content creation, the process for going from YouTube video creation to release. This is very important today because YouTube is the second most used search engine in the world. If you're not using YouTube, you will lose out. So this bonus will help you in your YouTube video creation. Now finally, we've got some special incentive bonuses here. If you get Core SEO today through my link, you will also get these powerful softwares that will get you even more traffic. Now these softwares were all created by the same people who created the Core SEO software that we're talking about today. So the first one is WordPress copy sites. What this will allow you to do is take articles, take content from any WordPress installation and immediately within seconds transfer it anywhere else you want onto another WordPress installation. It's very quick. You don't have to go through a bunch of different steps to transfer your content. Bonus number 2 is PingerJeet. Now Jeet is one of the people who developed Core SEO. And what this product PingerJeet does is once you create brand new content, you want to get it out there as fast as you can and to as many places as you can. This software will give your information, of any new content that you create to 30 different search engines. So your content can get out there quickly and it can get out there with wide coverage, which is what you want. Then you have Tube Inspector Jeet. This will help you increase your YouTube profits. What this will allow you to do is put your ads on any embeddable YouTube video. If a YouTube video has embed capabilities, you can place ads or even opt-ins on those YouTube videos and increase your profits. You do not have to create the video. The next bonus number 4, is Social Media Genie. Once again, social media today is growing like wildfire. You need to be able to use social media for your marketing. This software will help you do exactly that. Bonus number 5 is the Auto Articles Wizard. You need to create content. You're sitting at your computer trying to think about what you want to talk about or write about. This will help you automatically. It will take all the hard work out of creating new content. List Mail Jeet is bonus number 6. What this will allow you to do is actually send out an email to your list without going through your autoresponder. The software will let you send emails to your list from any desktop PC. So you can cut out all those extra steps of going through your email or autoresponder to get to your mailing list. And then finally, bonus number 7 is the Keywords Goldmine Jeet. Now, keywords is still an extremely important factor in getting your videos to rank. You need to get your videos to rank for the right keywords, and those are the keywords that people are searching for, but hopefully with the least competition, but the most search volume. This software will help you find the right keywords. Now, you've seen the product, you've seen all the bonuses. So if you'd like to get your hands on your very own copy of Core SEO and get all my exclusive bonuses that I've just gone over for you, just click on any one of these red buttons and you can access your software today. Or if you like, you can go to either one of these links. This link will take you to the Core SEO and my exclusive bonuses. You can buy it right through this link. And if you'd like to see my review page on the product, you can click this link. Both of those links will also appear in the description below this video. But if you'd like to get your websites ranking and ranking quickly, this Core SEO software is really top-notch, and it will get the job done for you really quickly.